In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Insightly CRM account. Before we get started, keep in mind that closing your account is permanent. This usually means your data, settings, and customizations will be removed and can't be recovered. So, if there's anything you might need later, such as reports, contact lists, or deal history, it's a good idea to export or back that up before you begin. Once you're ready and sure you want to move forward, follow along step by step. First, sign in to your Insightly CRM account as you normally would. Once you're in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. This is often shown as your initials or a small avatar image. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, you should see an option labeled Billing. Go ahead and click Billing. This will take you to the area where all of your subscription and payment details are managed. On the billing page, scroll through the options and look carefully for a link or tab that says Cancel Account. In many layouts, this option is placed near the bottom of the page, so don't worry if you don't see it immediately. Take your time, scroll down, and make sure you're on the correct billing screen for your current plan. When you find Cancel Account, click it to start the cancellation process. After clicking Cancel Account, Insightly will typically show you a confirmation screen. This step exists to make sure you really want to permanently close and delete your account. Read any information on this page so you understand what will happen to your data and access. When you're certain you want to proceed, look for the final confirmation option that says something like, "Please cancel and delete my account." Click that button to confirm your choice. Once you've done this, your account closure request is submitted. Depending on Insightly's policies, you may receive a confirmation message on the screen and possibly an email letting you know the account has been canceled and scheduled for deletion. After that, you should no longer have active access to your Insightly CRM account. And that's it. You've gone from your profile icon to billing to cancel account and finally confirmed that you want your Insightly CRM account permanently closed.